think you know my sound, but you never felt the ground shake underneath your feet when I take the stage. All those years you tried to break me down, now I'm standing here. Turn the volume up, let me make it clear. This is my frequency now. Can you hear it in the crowd? Every beat is mine to claim. You can't stop what I became. This is my frequency now. Turn it up and feel the sound. Every drop will prove you wrong. I've been here all along. Remember when you said I never make it past the noise? Now they scream my name over every choice you made. All those years you tried to break me down, now I'm standing here. Turn the volume up, let me make it clear. This is my frequency now. Can you hear it in the crowd? Every beat is mine to claim. You can't stop what I became. This is my frequency now. Turn it up and feel the sound. Every drop will prove you wrong. I've been here all along. You can try to cut the power, but I learned to make my own. Every wave that you sent crashing only made me grow more strong. This is my frequency now. Can you hear it in the crowd? Every beat is mine to claim. You can't stop what I became. This is my frequency now. Turn it up and feel the sound. Every drop will prove you wrong. I've been here all along. My frequency. My frequency. Can you hear me now? Digital heat, it's getting loud. I'm sparking out. Logged in, logged out, still spinning around again. It's chaos mode in my DM brain. Firewall up, but I let you in. See troll outfield, can't stop this spin. Repeat, repeat, my mind's on blast. Hype beast heart with a static cast. Ghosted by reason, crash my thread. I'm all caps, typing what I can't unsend. Numbers surge, rage comes alive. Wire triggered, I'm dead inside. Faster, faster. We flex, we freeze, we meme, we fight. Echo my mood all through the night. Feedback, run it back. Lightning in my veins, no time to lag. Feedback, ripping through. Error 4-4, chill, who? Overdrive, can't delete. My anger loops full of repeat. Feedback, run it back. Scroll fatigue, savage drama, swipe rage on the TL. Living in the sim, yeah we stand, but it's so frail. IRL, I'm streaming, bottling what's boiling over. No cap, I snap emoji mask, game over. Haters spawning trolls in my zone, so tweet my pain, but I'm still alone. Retweet receipts, clout in my head, but I trade all these likes just to chill instead. I'll roast, I toast, I post, and it goes, but the anger's a virus, trending most. Cancel my calm, caught in the stream, every beep, every ping, another meme. lost fierce, but I can't behave. Clickbait emotions, viral attack, overclocked and I'm never turning back. Feedback, feedback, run it back. Running in my face, no time to lag. Oh, back, feedback, get back, echoes burst. Running wild, let it hurt. Feedback, feedback, run it back. Forever in a feedback loop. It's just the two of us. The world fades in the dark. Cobblestone beneath my feet, I feel the spark. Your eyes cast spells, a chase begins again. Heartbeat in my chest, sync up with the ancient strain. We draw closer, history rewinds, armor falls down past unwind. Raise your hand, let's let the rhythm free us tonight. We dance like though nobody's seen us. Thunder rolling as we lose our fear. Pulse of the arena, drawing you near. Let it rush in, let it rush in. Oh, 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 yeah. Steel and sweat, I feel your breath upon my skin. Every step echoes old worlds we've been in. Past and present crashing, clash upon the floor. I hear the call, we hunger for more. Side by side, we break the line. Your magic shakes what once was mine. Raise your hand, let the rhythm free us tonight. We dance like nobody's seen us. Thunder rolling as we lose our fear. Pulse of the arena, drawing you near. Bring me closer, echo through the ages. Banners falling, let's turn the pages. We ride the sound, chase the dawn. Take my hand, we're never gone. Beating clear. Bodies drifting side by side, not touching. Lights cut through me, waiting for your sign in the crowd. Familiar motion, something lost, wonder how you would answer if I tried. We don't talk about before, just fragments echo on the floor. I reach out, the distance grows. I wait, heartbeat slows. Back to this, we always come back to this. Your face, the memory I miss. Over again, back to this. Sigues lejos, pero siento tu energía girando, buscando lo que fui, nada cambia. Solo el día, solo el ritmo, vuelvo atrás, queriendo repetir. No more running, no more noise. Your voice lost among the noise. I step closer, but you fade. Are we lost, or just afraid? Back to this, we always come back to this. Familiar rush, the bittersweet twist, here again. Back to this. If I call, will you hear? If I move, are you near? Every moment we resist, then surrender. Back to this. We always come back to this. We break apart and reminisce every time. Back to this. Back to this. Back to this. I'm writing this down. Can't say it out loud. One day you'll understand. One day you'll. Oh, la, la, la. Time keeps spinning round. Oh, la, la, la. Future me, can you hear me now? Dancing through the years somehow. Will you remember how it feels? Future me. All the love I'm forgiving. Future me. La la la. Hear me now.
escucharme bailando a través de los años.
but you don't know what's behind the booth. Every night I'm climbing up these stairs alone. Crowd below is waiting, but I'm on my own. Pressure building heavy on my shoulders now. Gotta make them move, but I don't know how. They think it's easy living in the light, but I'm just human fighting through the night. Behind the booth, there's more than what you see. Behind the booth, I'm breaking down for free. The music's loud, but silence screams at me. Behind the booth, behind the booth. Faces in the darkness, all looking up at me, waiting for the magic, but I can barely breathe. Beat is getting faster, my heart is racing too. Wonder if they notice what I'm going through. They think it's easy living in the light, but I'm just human fighting through the night. Behind the booth, there's more than what you see. Behind the booth, I'm breaking down for free. The music's loud, but silence screams at me. Behind the booth, behind the booth. When the lights go down and the crowd goes home, I'm still standing here, still alone. All the cheers fade out, but the fear remains. This is my world, this is my pain.